Hello, good morning, friends. Today, on the Makar Sankranti day, I have received the order of bike or wrap from Tapulin. It's a XL size. I have paid along with the delivery charges rupees 419. So let's see how it is. So friends, now you can see the exercise completely covers my Pulsar 150 and it is bigger than the required size. That is the best thing, and quality is good and it is fully waterproof. Okay, so I have purchased the transparent one and it is perfectly fit for my Pulsar, even for my Royal Enfield. You can go for it, because in past I purchased the other two-wheeler covers which were not good quality, not at all waterproof. Even I have used the product, that is this one, normal tarpaulin, doesn't last more than a season. Even that black plastic you can see, but this product is made with care and perfectly fit for any two-wheeler. Okay, so this is my unboxing video and review for this product, and the size is big, XL size, you can see. So it doesn't require to tie the cover under belly. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, give your love and support like this.